During this video, we're going to look at one more type of graphic, the animation. Going to just insert a new object and choose animation, OK. And now I'm going to click, and as we saw before, it brings up the file selector. So now I'm going to choose, this supports animation files. It will support GIF files, FLC files, FLI files, and AVI files. So this is a GIF file I have here. As you can see, we select it and we see a preview down here. We can see the information here. And I'm going to press open. And this is an animated file. As you can see, it doesn't show it animated right here, but if we test our application, then we can see that it is animated, but it only animated through the sequence once. But we can easily change that with the properties over here. We can change these properties to loop, and then that way it will animate over and over again. We can hide the object at start, and we can also skip frames. We can also choose to skip frames. If a computer is too slow to display the animation file at the regular rate, then it's asking if should it show all the frames at a slower rate, or should it skip some of the frames so that it can stay at the same rate. So if we have it checked, then it's going to skip some of the frames and stay at the same rate. If we uncheck it, then it's going to play all the frames at a slower rate. Then we have our display options. Here we can see all our display options. And then we have our size position options. I have our position options like usual. Then we have our movement. And then we have our runtime and our values and our behaviors and events and our name. I'm just going to change this to ketchup. That's all for animation files.